What's crackin', Gold Rush crew? Your main man Gold Rush here, back at it with Gold Rush Crypto Daily, where we serve up the freshest, most explosive crypto news you need to know. Today, we're tackling a double dose of crypto craziness. First, we're diving headfirst into the Pi Network mystery. Why are some balances showing a zero? Don't panic, we've got the official scoop straight from the core team. Then, we're shifting gears to Bitcoin, which is pulling a move that seasoned analysts are saying screams, buy! Trust me, you're gonna want to hear this, so lock in and let's get this gold. Now before we go any further, if you're digging the energy and you want to stay ahead of the game in this wild crypto frontier, smash that like button right now. It fuels the Gold Rush machine. And hey, if you haven't joined the fam yet, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss a single drop of crypto gold. We're building something epic here, and you're part of the ride. Alright, let's get straight into this Pi Network situation. So, I've been hearing whispers and some of you might have seen your transferable Pi balance take a nosedive to zero after migrating to Mainnet. Freaky, right? Well, hold on to your hats because the Pi core team has officially addressed this, and the bottom line is, your Pi is safe. Apparently this is all down to a little hiccup in the way the app shows your balance, the user interface. The actual migration process on the back end is super detailed, like a digital detective going through every single mining session, cross-referencing with your team and security circle. It takes a few minutes to do all that heavy lifting. To give you a quick glimpse of your funds on the app, they use a simplified way of estimating, but after a recent update, this estimation tool got a bit too pessimistic, making some balances look way lower than they should, or even showing a big fat zero. Understandably, this caused some heart palpitations in the Pi community with folks worried they'd lost their precious Pi. But the core team has come out strong to say, no PI has been lost. My take? It's a bit of a UI oopsie, but the fact that they're on it and reassuring everyone the real Pi is secure, that's a win in my book, shows they're paying attention, even to the little things. You see, when you move your Pi to Mainnet, the system runs a really complex check. It looks at every single mining session you've had to figure out exactly how much Pi you should get. And because of the team-based mining, it has to double-check and confirm the contributions from everyone in your circle and team. It's not just a simple transfer, it's a meticulous calculation to make sure everything is fair and square. Given all that number crunching, the balance you see on the app has always been a quick estimate, not the final exact amount. The real accuracy is in those back-end calculations. And that recent update to the estimation tool? It accidentally made it look like Pi vanished when it was actually all good. Honestly, while the scare might have been real for some, this level of care in ensuring fair distribution is a massive green flag for the future of Pi. The Pi core team has heard your concerns loud and clear, which is exactly what we want to see. They've said they're already working on fixing this, and a new update is dropping next week that will make the balance you see on the app much more accurate in real time. Plus, they've reaffirmed their commitment to being transparent and accurate in everything they do with the Pi network. They're keeping an eye on your feedback and tackling any tech issues as they build towards full decentralization and the open mainnet. This is the kind of dedication that makes me bullish on Pi. So, what's the takeaway for us pioneers? Relax! Your Pi is safe and sound. No Pi has been gained or lost because of this little UI hiccup, and everything will be showing correctly after the fix. The core team's message is clear. Stay cool, keep supporting the network, and trust the process. Building something this groundbreaking takes time and tweaks along the way. As we get closer to open Mainnet, expect more improvements to make everything smoother and more secure. In the meantime, stick to the official Pi channels for your info, and don't fall for any fear-mongering about missing balances. The upcoming update will sort it all out, giving everyone a clear view of their transferable Pi. With this sorted, let's keep the Pi spirit high and keep building this amazing community. What do you think about this Pi update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, let's pivot and talk about the big daddy of crypto Bitcoin. Now I've been seeing some interesting chatter and it looks like Bitcoin might be giving us a sneaky little gift right now. Apparently Bitcoin has recently dipped below its 111-day moving average. Now for those of you who are new to trading, this is a key technical indicator that a lot of smart money watches closely. And according to some top-notch analysts, including the legendary Rect Capital, These kinds of dips have historically been fantastic opportunities to load up on Bitcoin for the long term. Even though Bitcoin's facing some short-term downward pressure, this latest move is actually drawing the attention of analysts and big players who are seeing this as a potential prime entry point. Rect Capital has pointed out that even though these dips below the 111-day moving average are happening a bit more frequently in this current market cycle, they still represent key moments where you can potentially snag Bitcoin at a discount. Who doesn't love buying the dip, especially on the asset that started it all? Historically, during bull markets, Bitcoin has occasionally dipped below this 111-day moving average, but these dips have usually been short-lived before a strong upward move. Looking back at the 2017 bull run, those dips were small and quick, and even in the 2021 cycle, there was only one major drop below this level before it bounced back hard. Now this current cycle has seen a few more of these dips, which might suggest a change in market behavior. However, the core message from analysts remains the same. These dips are still strategic buying opportunities for those looking to build their Bitcoin holdings at lower prices. It's like the market's giving you a second chance to get in before the next leg up. Another crucial thing to note from past trends is that during bear markets, this 111-day moving average tends to act as a strong resistance level. This continues until Bitcoin gains enough momentum to kick off a new bull run. Right now, for a bullish confirmation, Bitcoin's price needs to reclaim that 111-day moving average, which is currently hovering around $96,500. So keep your eyes peeled on that $96,500 mark, folks. That's the level to watch for confirmation that the bulls are back in charge. So, what's the big picture here? While some might see this Bitcoin dip as a cause for concern, many seasoned investors are viewing it as a rare chance to accumulate more Bitcoin at a potentially lower price. If history rhymes, we could see a strong price reversal soon, which could signal the beginning of the next phase of this incredible bull market. Of course, we always need to consider the broader market conditions, including what's happening in the global economy, and how investors are feeling overall. These factors will also play a role in Bitcoin's journey. But with key levels identified and technical indicators suggesting a potential recovery, the coming weeks are going to be critical in determining if Bitcoin can reclaim its spot above that 111-day moving average and continue its long-term upward trajectory. My personal take? While dips can feel a bit scary in the moment, they often present the best opportunities for those with a long-term vision. If the historical data and seasoned analysts are pointing to a buy signal, it's definitely something worth considering, after you've done your own thorough research, of course. Alright, Gold Rush fam, let's bring it all together. We've got the lowdown on the Pi network balance situation. No need to panic, your Pi is safe and a fix is coming soon. And we've got a potential heads up on a classic Bitcoin buy the dip scenario according to the charts. Remember, in the world of crypto, information is power, and staying calm is key. What are your thoughts on all of this? Did you see your Pi balance at zero? Are you looking at this Bitcoin dip as a buying opportunity? Let's get the conversation going in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown valuable, make sure you share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Gold Rush Crypto Daily. You guys are the best crypto community out there. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more crypto insights and analysis. Until next time, stay golden, stay bullish, and let's keep this gold rush going.